Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sushi rolls using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of short-grain sushi rice, several sheets of nori seaweed, and your preferred fillings like cucumber, avocado, or cooked fish. Having everything ready makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's prepare the heart of our sushi, the rice. First, rinse about 2 cups of short-grain sushi rice thoroughly until the water is completely clear. Then, cook it according to the package instructions, usually with 2.5 cups of water. Once cooked, gently transfer the warm rice to a bowl and fold in about 4 tablespoons of seasoned rice vinegar. This gives it that signature sushi flavor. With our rice ready, it's time for the fun part. Rolling, lay a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Evenly spread a thin layer of sushi rice over about 3/4 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge. Then, arrange your favorite fillings in a horizontal line across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this can make rolling tricky. Finally, let's slice and enjoy your beautiful homemade sushi rolls. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with a little water, to cut each roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wiping the knife clean between each cut prevents sticking and ensures a neat presentation. Serve your fresh sushi immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi if you like. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.